this program is all about telling stories. So, as human beings, we connect with stories. That is the way that we pass down information. Before we had the written word, we had the spoken word. So, a lot of traditional societies still have, you know, you think about the Aborigines, they have their dream times, they have their storytelling. As human beings, we connect with stories. So this program is very much around how do we create stories? What makes us connect to stories? How do we create engagement in this program? So how do we involve people? How do we get them thinking? How do we present and share the benefits of what we are offering? How do we make it relevant? So in this program, storytelling, we look at how people can take the information that they need to present and share it in a way that people will understand and connect as human beings. Also, we take some time to look at confidence, because that's really important in how you deliver, because who's delivering the information is really important too. You've got to have belief in them. You've got to have trust. Okay, so we've got to have that display of confidence. And then the last piece that we consider in this program, storytelling, is handling difficult questions, because that's a big fear of a lot of people when they're presenting information, is having a difficult audience. What happens if somebody asks me a question that I can't answer? How do I deal with those difficult people in the audience? And depending on the audience, some people can do it deliberately. You know, people aren't always nice. So this program looks at how to be impactful, how to deliver the information so that people are willing to listen to it, they engage with it, they think about it. Most importantly, they take action so that you have influence, your actual stories actually influence other people. So that's that program, Impactful Storytelling.